Hello everyone, I'm Sonal and thank you so much for joining me today for this tutorial. And in this video, I'll be making this Indian women in this video. I've made this while using the soft pastel sticks and I've got it from a stationer nearby my home. I'll be putting the link in the description box down below. You can check it out if you want the same. So if you all are having a bit of problem understanding my accent, then you all can turn the captions on. So I'm not put the captions by myself, they are auto-generated, so I think it'll help a bit if you'll turn it on. Okay. So one question I'll be clearing today is that some people have asked me before. It is that, are soft pastels easily blendable? Then yes, they are. Soft pastel, I think, is that type of color which is the most easily blendable. I do prefer soft pastels over oil pastels because I think they work a lot more better, but it is not that much easy to handle them and to prevent those drawings. And for preventing, I use a fixative spray for each and every drawing, even while I make with oil painting or go with pencil shading. Fixative spray by Camel is the best, so you all can use it too. Hey everyone, enjoying the video, and if you are, then please make sure to make the great thumbs up button below, subscribe to my channel, and also put the bell icon on so that you only get every notification of my video whenever I'll upload a new one. And also make sure to leave a comment because I love to read it. Okay, enjoy the video again. that's it for today's video, everyone. I hope that you all have enjoyed watching. And if you all did, then I've already told you what to do. And if not heard, then you can hear it again. Okay, bye bye. See you later. Stay tuned for my next video, everyone.